Hi, in front of me is OPPO A33 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. Firstly, open an app, for example YouTube. Then click Home button and tap on the button with 3 lines. Now tap on the top right corner of an app and choose split screen. After that, click the other app. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!